If you see a blinking blue light on your Anker charger, it means the charger has detected a problem and needs your attention. A solid blue light usually confirms normal charging, but a blinking blue indicator signals that something is interrupting the process. This pulsing light is a built-in safety alert designed to protect both your charger and your device. The most common cause is a poor connection. Make sure your charging cable is firmly plugged into both the adapter and your device. If you're using a wireless charger, check for metal objects like coins, keys, or even thick phone cases that can interfere with charging. Misalignment is another frequent issue. Your phone must sit properly centered on the pad to create a stable charging field. Power-related problems can also trigger blinking. Many Anker wireless chargers require a power delivery adapter rated at 30 watts or higher. Using a lower-powered adapter can cause unstable charging. Overheating protection may also activate the blinking light if the charger or device becomes too warm. For Anker power banks, blinking blue lights often indicate either a very low battery or show charging progress. To fix the issue, remove any foreign objects, realign your device, inspect and replace cables if necessary, and confirm you're using the correct power adapter. Restart your device to clear minor software glitches. If the light continues blinking after these steps, contact Anker customer support and describe the exact blinking pattern.